Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming documents and the first actionable step. Visit an Aadhaar Seva Kendra or enrolled center. Bring your original Aadhaar and a working mobile for OTP. Once at the counter, request a mobile number update. The operator will verify your identity using biometric or OTP. Make sure to mention whether your old number is lost or active, because processes differ slightly. This step starts the official update request and generates a URN. Remember it for tracking. Next, you fill the Aadhaar update request form with the new mobile number. Write clearly to avoid data entry errors. Then, authenticate. Provide biometric fingerprint or use OTP on your existing verified number if available, because verification confirms you are the Aadhaar holder. After successful verification, pay the prescribed fee, usually small, and collect the acknowledgement slip that contains the SRN or URN. Keep this slip. It allows you to track the update status online or inquire later if needed. Finally, you track the update using the URN provided on the acknowledgement slip. Updates typically complete within 7 to 90 days, depending on verification. Once marked complete, download e-Aadhaar to confirm the new mobile is reflected or request a reprint at the center. If the update stalls or is rejected, return to the center with your URN and slip and request escalation. Often a mismatch in entry or failed biometric causes delays, and staff can reinitiate verification to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.